Good morning, students. Welcome to N.L.K group of schools online classes. Myself, Anadi Pratap, is here to discuss about heterotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. But before we will start, let us discuss the remaining activities of autotrophic mode of nutrition. Activity 4. In this activity, we will know about that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. What we require? We require a green potted plant, a white open bottle, a split cork, iodine solution and potassium hydroxide solution. Procedure: keep a green potted plant in dark for about 48 hours to discharge its leaves. Now take 2 ml of potassium hydroxide solution in a white mouth bottle and fit it with a split cork. After that, select a healthy leaf from the plant and insert half of it in the bottle, but remember that it remains attached with the plant. The part of the leaf inside the bottle does not get carbon dioxide because potassium hydroxide absorbs it. Now place the setup in sunlight for 4 hours. After 4 hours, remove the leaf from the plant and out of the bottle. Now test for the presence of starch. What we observe? We observe that the part of leaf outside the bottle turns blue-black while the part of leaf inside the bottle remains yellowish. What we concluded? We concluded that photosynthesis had taken place in the part of the leaf which is outside the bottle because it gets carbon dioxide, while the part of leaf within the bottle did not receive carbon dioxide, so no starch was formed. Hence, we can say that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Now, we discuss about activity 5. In this activity, we will know about that oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Material required: we require a glass beaker, hydrilla plant, a funnel, a test tube, water and sodium bicarbonate. Procedure: take a glass beaker and fill 3/4 of it with water. Add some sodium bicarbonate to it to provide more carbon dioxide. Now put hydrilla plant in the beaker and cover it by funnel as shown in figure. Now overturn a test tube filled with water over the funnel. Leave the setup in sunlight for few hours. What we observe? After few hours, we will see gas bubbles on the surface of leaves, which rises and collect in the test tube. Now test the gas by bringing glowing splinter toward the mouth of the test tube. It bursts into flame. What we concluded? We concluded that the gas produced by the leaves is oxygen. Now let us discuss heterotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. What is heterotrophic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain their food from other plants or animals is called heterotrophic nutrition, and the organisms are called heterotrophs. For example, non-green plants like fungi, some bacteria and some flowering plants. On the basis of the method of obtaining food, heterotrophic plants are of 4 types: parasitic plants, saprophytes or saprophytic plants, symbiotic plants, and insectivorous plants. Today, we will discuss about parasitic plants and saprophytic plants or saprophytes. Parasitic plants. Non-green plants which obtain their food from other green plants are called parasitic plants. The plant that provides food is called host plant. Parasitic plants have special root-like structures called haustoria from which they absorb food from host plants. On the basis of dependency for food, it is of two types, total parasites and partial parasites. Total parasites are those which are completely dependent on the host plant for their food. For example, amabel or cuscuta. Partial parasites are those which can synthesize their own food but depend on the host plant for water and minerals. For example, mistletoe. Saprophytic plants or saprophytes. Non-green plants like fungi which obtain their food from dead and decaying plants and animals are called saprophytic plants or saprophytes. They release digestive enzymes which break down the complex compounds into simple ones. There are some special cases of heterotrophic modes of nutrition, for example, euglena, which is a connecting link between plants and animals as it synthesizes their own food in the presence of sunlight, while in the absence of sunlight, it depends on another organisms for their food. Another one is Rafflesia, which is the largest flower of the world. It was discovered by Sir Stamford Raffles and it also shows heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, you all have to perform activity 6 and observe what happens. Thank you. Stay home and be safe. Goodbye.